This video covers creating XR Grabbable and adding projectiles. To convert an existing object to a XR interactable object, add rigid body component and then XR Grab interactable component and XR General Grab transformer. Also, make sure the object has a collider on it. As you see, the guns in the scene can be grabbed using the controllers by pressing the grab button. To add a projectile to the gun, add the launch projectile script and ray attach modifier script to the gun. Create another object shaped like a bullet and use that as a prefab in the launch projectile script. Create an empty object to define the launching point. Drag and drop the empty object created in the start point. Under XR Grab Interactable Component, drag till the end to find the Activate Event tab. Add an event to the list. Attach the gun in runtime and call the fire method from the launch projectile script. You can see some of the spawned projectiles. Make sure the bullet object has a collider and rigid body component attached to it.